What's up, guys? In this video, I am going to show you how to link data between sheets in Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is highlight all the data you want to link. Go to Data and press on the Name Ranges option. Now give the ranges a name. I'll leave it at range 1 for this example, and press Done. Now go to the A1 cell on your other spreadsheet and type in equal import and select the import range option. Now type in double quotation marks and go to your other spreadsheet and copy the URL. Go back to your other spreadsheet and enter in the spreadsheet URL in the middle of the quotation marks. After you enter the spreadsheet URL, type in a comma and type in 2 more quotation marks again. Now go back to your other spreadsheet and copy the name of the data range you've just created. Now go back to your other spreadsheet and paste the name in the middle of the quotation marks and close your bracket and press enter. Now if you get the hashtag ref icon, just press on allow access to allow the data to be linked. And that's it, guys. That's how to link data between sheets in Google Sheets. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.